The air conditioning recharge process may seem daunting, but it isn't. And we're here to help with a quick troubleshooting guide.
What do you do if you have warm air blowing out of your vents?
Checking system pressure is the best way to understand if your system is low on refrigerant, but what if the reading isn't showing low pressure? The first thing to do is check that the compressor is running.
The compressor is the heart of the AC system, and its clutch must be engaged when reading pressure. If you can't see the clutch engaged or engaging, you can also listen for the humming sound of the compressor turning on and off. If this is working as it should, move on to the next item to check. Start by making sure that your engine is on and the AC is set to its coldest setting with the fan on its highest setting. You will typically get a high pressure reading on a hot day when the engine is off, and you may also get a high pressure reading even if your AC is on and it's not on max cool. If you've done these things properly and still don't show low refrigerant, you most likely have an issue unrelated to low refrigerant that is causing the warm air, and we recommend seeking out a local professional for help. Our AC Pro Extreme Smart Charge Bluetooth Recharge Kit works with our app to walk you through the recharge process step by step and troubleshoots along the way to make sure everything is done correctly. Be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.